I'm with the U.S. Army Tank Automotive Research Development and Engineering Center. That is my 9 to 5, but I also am a coach for Heroes Alliance and a mentor for their after-school program, the Genius Within Cooperative Learning Center. I've been doing this for the last, been with Heroes Alliance since 2012 and working with students. I am one of the industry partners of many. And I serve again in this role of a mentor, coach, and sometimes as a subject matter expert, depending on the field. My background is biology, and at this point, I haven't used that technical background to its fullest extent with Heroes Alliance. But the thing that I and other industry partners, specifically, I can speak for the Army, with our partnership with Heroes Alliance, is very enthused about is the transferable skills that these students are learning in this class. But before I get into transferable skills, I have to say this, and I say this to students all the time, about 2 weeks into the course. I really could care less about the project that you all are working on, whether it's the solar car, vehicle technology, or the robot, whatever name the project. I really could care less about that project. I really do care about the student and what they are learning and the skills that they will learn for life. And sometimes that takes the student aback initially, and that's why I say I wait about 2 weeks before I tell them that, because they're focused on this project. And that's what they're excited about. They're excited about building a solar car. I would be too as a high school student. They're excited about building a robot. I would be too as a high school student. But at the end of the day, as an adult, as an industry partner, I recognize that the projects are going to change. But these skills and these life skills, those will remain, and those are things that they will need for the remainder of their life. What are some of those other skills that students are learning in this type of program? They're learning about communications, and that's one of the things I think is lacking somewhat in our society today of individuals knowing how to communicate respectfully with one another. And so within this class, as a coach, mentor, and within this program, rather, as a coach and mentor, I have seen students that have their valued opinions and they differ by 180 degrees to vocally stand up, talk about why we should do one thing over the next or make one decision over the next, but to communicate effectively and respectfully with one another without ever hearing a curse word, without ever someone saying, shut up. It was really a dynamic engagement between the students. And at the end of the day, they came to a consensus and agreed upon whatever that topic was we were discussing and moved forward. That's a valuable skill that is not only useful, of course, what we're doing here, but also at home and learning how to communicate with your siblings. Why is this important for industry to be involved? And I am part of industry, although I'm a coach and mentor for Heroes Alliance. I think it's important not only for industry to be involved as we build this next generation and build our students that we want to come work for us. That return on investment is we're building the students that we want. We are putting in the skills and knowledge that we need, not only today, but tomorrow. Some may go to community college out of this program and get their 2-year degree in welding, and that's a really good career to go into. Some may go on to a 4-year college and get their degree in engineering. Some may go on to get their PhD. Those are different off-ramps, but this program helps to set the foundation to get them to where they want to be in life.